Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about Michigan international divorce as it relates to people who are residents of the state of Michigan. Now, how does this come about? Let's say you're married in Michigan, or let's say you're a military couple. You know, your state of legal residence is Michigan. But now you find yourself living elsewhere. You've been in England for God knows how long, or you've been otherwise abroad in a different country, and now you want to get divorced. How does that work? Well, in general, if you've established a family and a residency for years and years in another place, you're probably going to end up getting divorced there. It would probably be regarded by the court as an inappropriate choice of forum to now all of a sudden file in Michigan when you have had no contacts with the state of Michigan for years. There's never been an order regarding the family out of Michigan. The kids were never even born in Michigan. You've been living your whole life in Michigan. There's no way that, you've been living your whole life outside of Michigan. There's no way that the Michigan courts are going to say, oh yeah, give us jurisdiction on that. I would say, though, that the exception might be in a military couple because, sometimes the military couples are sent all over the world by reason of their military service. They are supposed to declare a state of residency, and typically people will declare Michigan if they, started their lives in Michigan and they even began their military careers here in Michigan, and then they end up getting, deployed somewhere. Michigan would still, in that situation, maintain the jurisdiction for the purposes of this divorce, even though now they are an international couple. So really, unless Michigan has been designated for military purposes to be the place to have your divorce, or the place to have your residency and therefore your divorce, once you pick up and leave and you go to another country and you have your family and everything else in another country, you're married in another country, at that point in time, that country is probably going to be the appropriate choice of forum to have your divorce. Now, we get into other constitutional issues. If you happen to be in one of these countries where they don't observe your particular due process rights as a result of that, and whether or not Michigan would even recognize such a divorce, that's a different issue. And that's will be the subject matter of a different video. But for the purposes of this, suffice it to say that once you've already made your life in a different country and you're established there for, enough to meet their residency requirements, your kids were born there, everything is there, the fact that you got married in Michigan is not going to dictate the jurisdiction of a later divorce. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.